Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. In today's video we will show you how to remove and replace front door tweeter speaker on BMW E90. So if you have an E90 E91 92 guys, this procedure will be for you. We have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, so please subscribe. Many more videos to come, give a like, okay, and if you need anything, drop a comment, we'll try to make a video. So stay with us to show you how to replace that tweeter speaker now. So all the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. You can see now we need a panel remover tool, plastic panel remover tool, and we're going to remove that molding here. It could be kind of like the wood imitating one, or you might have a gray one depending on which package your BMW came with. But you just start prying it straight out, and once we remove it, we'll show you where all the clips are. So don't forget guys to subscribe, we have more than 200 videos on this car. Now check out where all the clips are now. And you can see these clips actually came off. So later, okay, we'll need to remove those and install them right here. They need to look like that. So all together, okay, once you remove those clips you need to pull it towards the back a little bit, because you can see that clip is holding, okay, right here. So when you pry all of them open this way, you need to pull it towards the back on the last one. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips all together. And it's very important to do that and to install them now, because later you will not be able to put it together. Okay, perfect. And you can see our last one is broken, so what we will do, we'll remove the last one and we'll steal some of the middle ones and install it on the last piece, on the last clip. That way our trim will not be sticking out. Okay, just like that. So we'll need a Torx 20 bit, okay, like this one here, and we'll need to remove 3 clips now. Okay, this is the second one, and just one more to go after that. You can grab the bolts and pull them out. Actually, they're screws. Okay, let me show you what they look like quick. After that, we need to locate a bigger panel remover tool, okay, and we'll need to start prying the panel out. You'll need to come that way out, and once we remove it we'll show you where all the clips are, so you know where to apply more pressure. Okay, now here you have more clips and they need to come that way. It doesn't go up, it just comes straight out. Okay, like that. Next, we need to disconnect, okay, the door cable right here. And how you do that? Right here you have one tooth underneath, so you need to pry it out. Okay, it got stuck here. Okay, and it came out. When you're ready to install that thing, okay, the handle needs to be closed all the way like that. And all you have to do, we'll show you later how exactly it needs to be installed. So let's disconnect the speakers. You have 2 wires here, and that's the we have 2 more wires for the master window switch and one for the light as well. This one you need to press that middle piece in, slide it forward, okay, and remove it. Okay, this is the piece. Okay, remember the clip was like that. So you need to press that one, and while you're pressing down here you need to slide it like that. We have one more wire for the little light on the bottom. Okay, and the panel is out of the way now. So now we have to remove that cover here, and the easiest way to do that, you need to grab on the front. Okay, you need to gently pry this way out, and after that you're going to pull on this side here. Okay, and you can see it will come loose like that. You don't have to remove the whole thing, but even if you want to, it's not very complicated procedure, but I'll just leave it like that because we can reach everything we need to now. After that, you can see that foam piece will come out. You just have to be very gentle not to break it, because later your speaker might rattle. Okay, it's glued there a little bit in the corner, so you don't even have to pull it all the way out. Now, this is the tweeter, okay, right here. Now we need to go ahead and remove it by spreading, okay, those teeth. There is 4 teeth. Okay, one. Let me focus here because it's a little bit dark. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Alright guys, and this is the tweeter speaker out of the door, as you can see. After that, all we have to do in order to install the new tweeter speaker is we need to lift the foam again, place it there. It goes only one way with the wires pointing down. Press it in all the way to make sure that all 4 clips are biting, and from that point on everything will be in reverse order that we took it apart. So thank you for watching, see you guys next time.